Hey guys, welcome to this very special video. It's really good to be here and talk to you. I know that we don't have a camera right now. I'll explain why in just a second, but first of all, thank you for watching this video. There's very important announcements and news that I want to share with you because things have been crazy down here for the last month. This last month was just a crazy month for me, and I want to share a couple of the things that happened and some of the things that are happening here with the channel as well, with the YouTube channel, and with all of you guys, with all of our audience, all of our students. First of all, guys, I just wanted to remind you that we decided to change things up a little bit last month. Last month we wanted to try something a little bit different for the channel, and one of the main reasons was it was getting a little bit difficult to upload a new content every single day. Also, some of the series were becoming a little bit too long or too dispersed, and we just wanted to keep everything in a more like concise way. So one of the changes that we decided to do was start with this mini premium courses. Some of you guys saw the Maya 2023 for Beginners course where I teach you how to model a camera. Then we did this 3D Substance 3D Painter basics. I then did the rigging basics, and then we did a Unreal Engine one as well. And finally, for last month, we did this ZBrush character sculpting. This format, I really like this format. I've been enjoying recording this series for you guys. Please let me know in the comments what you think so far, because this is the way we grow, of course, and this is the way we can make changes or make fixes in case things are not working as intended. But this new format allows me to just record and be focused on one specific topic, making sure you guys get the best information for all of the different things that we have. We're also releasing these free chapters. At the time of this recording, it's really late right now. I'm gonna explain what happened, but at the time of this recording, we just released the Speed 3 for Beginners, a free chapter for you guys. So if you want to check it out, make sure to go into the videos and you're gonna see it, of course. But yeah, what's the word? No, not there. There we go. Let's go here to the videos. This is the new way that we're working. So again, please let us know in the comments if you like this way. I know I do miss the daily interaction that we used to have. But here's the news. Last April, as some of you guys know, the studio that I have over here, we opened one new like BR experience, and we were not expecting to have as much success as we've had so far, which is of course great, right? But unfortunately, that also means that I've been really busy with that part of my professional career, and I haven't been able to keep up as uploading as many things as I was doing before. So yeah, I mean, good news is there's a lot of work, and that will ensure some nice stability for myself, and of course that's gonna allow me to produce more stuff for you guys. But the way that it's gonna be dropping is gonna be a little bit slower than what we're used to. I miss you guys. I really miss you. And for all of you new subscribers, we're now at 25,000 subscribers. It's just amazing. When I started doing these videos for you guys almost a year ago, I didn't imagine that we were gonna grow so much in such a little time. But thank you very much for everyone. Now, don't think that I'm gonna let you go without talking about what's coming up next, because of course, I always try to find some new things to share with you. As some of you guys know, I'm still working, or I'm always working on new premium courses for you. So the new premium course for June is going to be releasing very soon. We released the May course, which is about 3D printing, really cool. It's ZBrush character sculpting for 3D printing. We do Gavala, one of my personal villains from my D&D campaign. Check that one out. There's a couple of free chapters as well on the channel. But for June, we're going to have our live. We normally have our live at the end of the month. I'm really sorry that we couldn't have one on May. Again, with the vacation and all of the work and stuff, it was just impossible to get everything to work. But we're gonna have this one on Tuesday 28th. I'm gonna be recording this late on Tuesday 28th. It's probably gonna be early for you guys on the other side of the world on Wednesday 29th, the 29th. So just mark this down in your calendar in case you want to participate. We usually answer questions and we just interact with each other and talk about like fun stuff and all that jazz. Now, other than that, we're of course going to have our portfolio review. This is going to be on the 18th and on the 19th of this month. So for those of you that were wondering, hey, when can we submit our portfolios? Because we had one of the biggest submissions for May. There were almost 30 submissions, I think. It's just humongous amount of work, amazing work from everyone. And it took us about 2 hours to go through all of the feedback, which was amazing. So I'm going to be opening the portfolio review in this video. The link, you're going to find it on the description, and you're going to find the link on all of the videos that we're going to be publishing for the next couple of weeks. After that, once we hit the portfolio review weekend, we're going to stop that link, and you won't see it until we're back in July. Okay, so yeah, that's one of the big news. We're going to have a portfolio review on the 18th and the 19th. Now, we're also going to continue with the mini classes. As I mentioned, this is one of the new formats. It allows me to really focus on one topic, and for this one, guys, I actually need your help. I need your help finding out more stuff to do. Of course, I do have a list of things that I want to share. I already have one prepared for tomorrow. I was actually gonna record it today, but this is part of the fun story where I'm not at home right now. I'm not at the studio. I do have my computer with me, but I don't have all of my equipment, like the cameras and the lights and everything. So we were heading back home today, a little bit late in the night. And midway through, I remembered that I had forgotten my keys back at my in-laws' house. So we had to go back, and since we have our small baby, she can't handle like long road trips. So we're staying here one more day. I'm gonna be back tomorrow, and once I'm back at the studio, I'm gonna be recording the mini class for you guys. I think you guys are gonna like it. It's a really fun class, and it's gonna open a lot of minds, hopefully. So yeah, that's gonna be for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna have a mini class, so make sure to check the channel back. And we're gonna have our mini classes on Mondays. As you saw today, we also have the speed tree free tutorial. We're gonna have more of those tutorials throughout the different days of the week. Those are gonna be dropping a little bit more in a random way, but we've been trying to drop them on Saturdays and Thursdays usually. So just check the channel to make sure that you're up to date with those ones as well. I mean, they're great. We also have the Skillshare Promotion, which, if I'm not mistaken, I do have the little promo here. Let me see. Hey guys, Abraham here. I just wanted to remind you guys that we upload all of our courses to Skillshare. Skillshare is this amazing site where you can access a ton of different content to learn, improve, and grow as an artist. We have all of our courses available to watch and learn from right now in Skillshare. You can check the description down here, and Skillshare is offering 1 free month trial to their premium membership. With this membership, you're going to be able to access all of our courses and watch and learn all of the amazing things that we cover with all of the softwares. So, what are you waiting for? Check Skillshare down here below. There we go. I need to update that one. I do believe some of you guys have mentioned in the comments that the promotion is no longer like a month. It's more like 10 days or 7 days or something. But still, it's 3 days that you can check one of the classes. Those should be more than enough days to go through one of the classes that we've recorded for you. And if you like it, then the service is really affordable. And I do think that the content that we offer is going to be really cool for your career. We had several success stories about people who have seen our tutorials and then gotten a job in their industry. So yeah, check those out. And finally, this is one small change that I want to do, because I'm gonna be honest, guys, I really miss you. I really miss our daily interactions, like the fact that we were like talking in the comments and just like getting to know each other even from afar. That was pretty cool. So I want to come back with just some small videos. I'm calling them tips and tricks, just small little things that I find, like one of the things that I mentioned, I think it was last week, about the Arnold GPU bug that was on some of the versions, that sort of stuff, like just how to fix this, how to fix that, how to render specific things, or just the cool little brushes instead of ZBrush, or maybe some interesting modeling techniques inside of Maya. Something simple. It's probably not gonna be like full projects. Just something simple to check up with you guys and make sure that we're in the same page. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is the overview of June. Again, we wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you guys. All of your support, all of your follows, your likes, everything. It really helps us visualize what kind of content you guys are looking for. So feel free, don't be shy. Feel free to leave us in the comments anything that you might think about how we're doing things now, the kind of content that you want to see, what other softwares would you like to learn about, what other techniques or workflows. All of that stuff is really helpful for us, because that's the thing that guides us towards the new content that we're preparing down the road. And yeah, that's it, guys. Again, thank you very much to all of the subscribers. Make sure to keep on learning, make sure to keep up improving, and that's it for now, guys. I'll see you back tomorrow with our mini class, so make sure to tune in, and leave me a message in the comments. I really want to hear back from you guys, okay? So have a good beginning of this week, guys. I'll see you back on the next one. Bye-bye.